Hello Techie, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tek Solution. If you first time came to my YouTube channel and you tech lover, please like, subscribe and share my channel. If you see my last video that we are doing some mathematical calculation and string. Today we are also continue to the string also. Let's start with me. As first line backslash new second line. If you see it here, we put backslash n into the string with a single quote, right? Now we enter it and now we type variable s. Now enter. What you will expect the values? If you think first line, then it will come the new line and then it will write second line. Then please check in your also. It will not like that. Let's enter. You will see here it will take as a string only and it will not as interpret as new line. Do you know why? Because we didn't use print. Let's type print, open parenthesis as and close it. Now enter. You will see it here, this first line coming. Now the space, because this space is here. Now second line. Print, when you are using print, they will know backslash means new line. That's why it's come as a new line and then print second line. Okay, now we will use, if you don't want characters prefaced by backslash to be interpreted as a special character, you can use a draw string by adding in r before the first quote, right? What does it mean? Let's show you. Print c backslash some backslash and ame. Okay, wait for a second to see what is the output of this one. Here if you see backslash n means new line, right? And we are using print here. Then if you are going to enter it, what will be the output? C colon backslash sum, after that new line and then ame. Let's see it. Now I'm going to enter it, right? C backslash sum and then new line and then ame. How can I write this one, right? Then for this one, what we can do, we can use r and then single c backslash sum backslash name. Now what we will output? R will take care. R will take care this one. Now if you are going to enter it, we will see the whole output. Whole output means the whole string that is going to be here, right? C backslash sum backslash name. Let's enter it. And one note here, R use before that single quote, right? Okay. Now string literal can span multiple lines. One way is using triple quotes. Okay, end of lines are automatically included in the string, but it's possible to prevent this by adding a backslash at the end of the line. Let's see the example. Welcome to Python. Now enter once again. Let's close three quote. You can see, right? You can see the output. What does it mean by 3 string, yeah, 3 quote, double quote, basically, and backslash? Basically what it will do, it will take as a string all of them. You can use multi-line of quotes, just like the same example. If you are going to extend it, this is Python program, enter, this is 2020 year. Now if you want to close, use triple, right? It will take as a string, multi-line string, then use a double quote 3 times and backslash. Okay, now extend to one more example. A string can be concatenated, just like glue together, with the plus operator and repeated with star. Star means multiply. What does it mean? If you are going to use 3 backslash Python, what you expecting? Python 3 times, right? This is one Python, this is second Python, this is third Python, right? Now what we are going to do, 2 or more string literals next to each other are automatically concatenated. What does it mean? Py space THON, enter. It will concatenate automatically. Let's see Python, right? Now we'll go to the next example. Prefix equal to py. Let's see what will happen. It will enter, it's fine. Now if you are going to prefix concatenate with th1, what will happen? Do you think this py is going to concatenate with th1 then it will get the Python like that? This example, try in your end also. It will get the errors, invalid syntax. Do you know why? Because we can't concatenate a variable and string literal together. Okay, now let's see the other example, the same. Human 3 space you will get the same error. Okay, then what the solution? If you want to concatenate variable or variables, add a literal, use plus sign. Okay, then if you are going to use prefix plus string variable th1, then it will find. See, now we can concatenate with the variable with the string, right? Now we'll go to the next example. Strings can be indexes with the first character having index 0. There is no separate character type. A character is simply a string of size 1. Let's go with the example to understand better. Word Python. This is a string, enter. If you are going to take this first p, how we are going to do? Take the 0. You see in the output p is there. The index starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if you are going to use word 5, what will be the output? Hold for a second. that output will be n, right? This n, this is last. Tell me, if you are going to use word 6, what will be the output? You will get error. Why? If you see here, we have 0, we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5, right? And what we are using? We are using 6. That means string index out of range. Okay. Now let's go with the other things. Index -1. Index may also be negative number to start counting from the right. What does it mean? If you are using word -1, what will the output? The output will be the n. Let's enter and see it. This is -1 and this is -2, this is -3, this is -4, this is -5, this is -6. Okay, let's type word -6 and enter P. Right? Note that since 0 is the same as a 0, negative index start from -1. Now go with the next example. Slashing. In addition to indexing, slashing is also supported. While indexing is used to obtain individual characters, slashing allows use to obtain substring. Let's go with the example. Word 0, 2. Word 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5, right? Starting from 0. When you're going to use 0, column 2, what will be the output? It will take 0 and 1 and ignoring the rest of them. Then output will be P and Y, right? Now we are going to take from position 2 to 5 excluded. What will the output? 0, 1, 2. Starting with 2, ignoring 5, ignoring excluded 5. 2, 3, 4. That means THO. Right? Now, if you want to concatenate, we can concatenate it also. Now, how to start is always included and the end always excluded. Right? Let's see one more example. Word. If you want to 2 column and int, if you are going to say it's blank and close it, what will be happen? Do you think it will be error? No. What he will do? He will start from 2, 0, 1, 2 and THO, and it will take from 2 to end of the string. Right? Now same way you can see 4. 4, open and close. See O and N, 4 and 5. Now same way we can characters from the second last included to the end. Second last means first and second one. Word -2 column close. What will be happen? It is start with O, end with N, O N, right? -1, -2, -2, it will take to end of the string, right? Now we will say word 42. What you expecting? The same, right? Index out of range, right? How we'll solve this one? Let's go with new way. Word 442. Enter. What will be happen? It start with 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 to end of the string. 42 if you are going to use also, that doesn't make sense, right? Now enter. You see we are not getting out of range. Why? Because after 4 column 42 it will take everything from the 4. Whatever. Let's take one more example. Word 42. What do you think? It will, because 42 is not here. Now if you are going to take from 42 to end, what will happen? Do you think it will give the error? Try in your end, but it will not. It will simply, there is a string. See, empty string, right? String object doesn't show item assignment. Now we'll take a different example. If you need a different string, you should create a new one. Do you know Python string cannot be changed? They are immutable. What do you mean by immutable? Immutable, an object with a fixed value. Immutable objects include number, string and tuples. That I will tell you in the later lecture. Such an object cannot be changed. Okay, a new object has to be created if a different value has to be stored. They play an important role in places where a constant has value is indexed. For example, as a key in a dictionary. We will tell you in the next video what is tuples. Okay, what does it mean? I will show you. Word 0. What does, you will get P, right? But if you want to assign the value into 0, you will get an error. Here, see, string object doesn't not support item assignment, right? Same way, let's give another example. Word 2 py. You will get again the same error, right? If you need a different string, you should create a new one, like this. J plus word 1 call, right? Jathan. They will create as a new object, right? But you can't change the existing one. Okay, let's take another example. Word column 2 okay, one more thing, I will give you one function just like welcome to Python. Okay, how we'll get the what is the length of this string? We have the inbuilt keyword len that will tell you the length of the string. Use open parenthesis as use close enter. You will get 70. That's the length of this one. Okay, as Python length plus, you will get 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, I hope this will help for you to learn the Python. If you really like my video, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you.